Good morning, students. Today we are going to see chapter 4, topic comparison of ratios. Here in this comparison, when we compare two ratio, we have to see that A, B, C, D are positive numbers, and one more thing, we have to apply these rules. Three rules are given here. We have to do first cross multiplication. Suppose A upon B, C upon D we consider as two ratios. A into D, we multiply that, we find the product, and B into C. If AD is greater than BC, we will take first ratio is greater than C upon D. In the same way, second one, if AD is less than BC, we will take A upon B is less than C upon D. In this way, in the last one, AD equals to BC, then A upon B is equal to C upon D. So, on this rule, base the problems of practice set 4.2 using the property A upon B, filling the blanks. So, first one I have done here. Second one is homework for you. 5 upon 7 is equal to blank 28. So, blank 28, it means when we multiply 7 by 4, we will get 28. In this way, here we got the term common multiple of the ratio. It means we multiply both the term by 4. So, we will get 20 upon 28. In the same manner, in the second one, the numerator is given 35, denominator we have to find here. So, for 35, 5 into 7, we got 35. In this way, 7 into 7, we got 49. In the same manner, 5 upon 7 is equal to blank upon 3.5. Here 3.5 is given, so we multiply both the term by half. So we will get 2.5 and upon 3.5. In this way we are filling the blanks. Now second question, find the following ratio. In the first one, the ratio of the radius to the circumference of the circle. We have to find the ratio of radius of the circle with the circumference with respect to the circumference of the circle. So we take the radius of the circle BR, circumference 2 pi r. So the ratio of the radius to the circumference of circle r upon 2 pi r cancel. We got the answer 1 upon 2 pi. In this way, in the second one, the ratio of the circumference of circle with area of the circle. Students, please listen carefully. Their problem is given, some printing mistake is there, so you correct the problem here. The ratio of the circumference of circle with area of the circle. So circumference of circle, we know the formula 2 pi r, and area of circle is pi r square. In this way, when we find the ratio of this 2 pi r upon pi r square, we cancel the pi and 1 r with 1 r square. So we will get 2 upon r. So 2 is to r is the final answer. In this way, third question, diagonal of square root 2 into side. So root 2 into side of the square is given there 7 centimeter. So we get root 2 into 7, 7 root 2. And the length of the side is 7. So we have to find the ratio of the diagonal of a square with its side. So 7 root 2 upon 7, 7, 7 cancel. You'll get root 2 is to 1. That is the final answer. Now in third question, when we move in third question, we see that compare the following pairs of the ratio. Here we have to compare the pairs of the ratio. So for this, root 5 upon 3, first ratio is given, and 3 upon root 7. When we compare two ratio, we have to find out the product A into D or B into C. So here root 5 into 7, when we multiply root 5 into root 7, we will get root 35. 3 into 3, that is 9. But here one number is irrational number. Root 35 is an irrational number. And 3 into 3, 9 is a rational number. So we have to convert both the term in the same order. Same order, you study this order in search chapter. So here no need to explain this one. So we here the 35, the order of 35 is 2. So we have to do here 9. We have to make the order of 9 also 2. So we square the term, both the term, 9 square and under root. So you'll get root 81. So 35 is less than 81. It means root 35 is less than root 81. So first ratio is less than second ratio. In this way, we'll see second question, 3 root 5 upon 5 root 7 root 63 upon root 125. When we multiply a into d, a means 3 root 5 and d means root 125. So here first we convert the root 63, 9 into 7, it means 3 root 7, root 125, simplify this one, 125, 25 into 5, both are root 63 and 7, both are the multiple of perfect square, so we can convert in mixed here. So when we convert this mix in mixed, so we'll get root 3 root 5 upon 5 root 7, 3 root 7 upon 5 root 5. When we compare this one, we'll see that root 5 upon root 7, root 7 upon root 5. So 5 upon 7 and 7 upon 5. We know that numerator 5 upon 5 is less than 7. So we see that here when the in a fraction numerator is greater than the denominator, that fraction is greater than the those fraction where the numerator is less than the denominator. So here 7 upon 5 is greater than 5 upon 7. So 3 root 5 upon 5 root 7 is less than root 63 upon root 125. In this way, the third question is 5 upon 18 and 17 upon 121. So 5 into 121, 605, 17 into 18, 306. So we know that 605 is greater than 306. So first ratio is greater than second ratio. Now in the fourth question, root 80 upon root 48, root 45 upon root 27. Here the order is same. So we have to convert this root 80 and 48. 16 into 5, 16 into 3, 4 root 5, 4 root 3, 4 cancel in this manner. 45 upon root 7. Here we'll get, when we simplify this one, we'll get root 5 upon root 3 same. So both the ratio are equal. Now in this way, in the last problem, 9.2 upon 5.1, 3.4 upon 7.1. 9.2 is greater than 1 because numerator is greater than denominator. In the same manner, second question, numerator is less than denominator, so it is less than 1. So here first ratio is greater than second ratio.